If I had zero money, no followers, and no experience in Nigeria, I would still make my first 50,000 Nigerian nairas using AI. And I wouldn't wait months. I'd start today. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways I would do it step by step. No hype. Just what actually works. Money bag method 1, WhatsApp content. This is the fastest way to start. Small business owners are already on WhatsApp. Food vendors, hairdressers, POS agents. But most don't know what to post. Here's what I'd do. Go to WhatsApp or Instagram. Find 5 small businesses. Pick one and message. Hi, I noticed your page. I can help you attract more customers by creating daily posts. Then go to ChatGPT and generate 5 posts. Edit slightly. Make it sound local. Send 2 for free. Then say, I can do this weekly for 5,000 Nigerian nairas to 15,000 Nigerian nairas. That's how you start. Method 2, simple flyer service. Every business needs flyers. Most don't have designers. Here's the move. Open Canva. Go to ChatGPT and generate flyer text. Pick a simple template. Add the text. Adjust colors. Done. Then message a business, I created a free flyer for you. Can I send it? Send it. Then say, I can design 10 weekly for 10,000 Nigerian nairas. One client is enough to start. Method 3, captions plus reply service. This one is powerful. Many business owners don't reply fast. Don't post consistently. You solve both. Go to ChatGPT and create 10 captions. 10 reply messages. Package it. Then message. I can help you reply customers faster and post better content so you don't lose sales. Charge 5,000 Nigerian nairas to 20,000 Nigerian nairas monthly. Simple work. High value. Notice something. I didn't tell you to. Learn for months. Buy expensive courses. Wait till you're perfect. I showed you how to start now. With your phone. With AI. If you're serious about making money with AI, subscribe.